Ever feel like your photos could use a little extra oomph? It might be all about how you're lighting your subject. Don't worry, ditching the flat lighting doesn't require a Hollywood budget. Today, we're diving into 7 essential lighting tools that'll transform your photo shoots from beginner-friendly to creative powerhouse setups. So grab your camera, get ready to experiment, and let's light up those amazing shots. When it comes to photo shoots, lighting is everything. That's where the Godox M600R shines bright. With its full-color LED light and high CRI and TLCI ratings, it ensures your colors are true to life, making your images pop with natural hues. But it's not just about color. The M600R also packs a punch in brightness, thanks to its innovative technology. Plus, it's built to last, with a design that minimizes heat and maximizes lifespan. No need to worry about flicker or weather conditions. This light has you covered with its flicker-free performance and IP54 protection. And with professional control options and accessory compatibility, it's versatile enough for any setup. Add in its dynamic lighting effects, and you've got a powerhouse that takes your photography to the next level, effortlessly. Versatility is key in photo shoots, and the Stella Pro upgraded Reflex S delivers in spades. This hybrid lighting solution can seamlessly switch between continuous and burst modes, giving you up to 18,000 lumens of pure lighting power. Whether you need a steady stream of light or rapid bursts, the Reflex S has you covered. But that's not all. It's also ultra-portable and rugged, so you can take it wherever your next shoot takes you. From weddings to action-packed sports events, this beast can handle it all. And with its impressive runtime and compatibility with a wide range of modifiers, you'll have the flexibility to craft the perfect lighting setup. If you're a portrait pro, cinematic storyteller, or anything in between, the Reflex S is your ultimate lighting companion for creating stunning visuals that will leave a lasting impression. Now, check out the D-Light RX 4 kit from Elinchrom. These kits are designed to simplify studio lighting, making them perfect for beginners or experienced photographers alike. You get everything you need in one convenient package: powerful monolights, sturdy stands, and easy-to-use softboxes. With shorter flash durations and accurate color rendering, you'll capture sharp, true-to-life images with minimal editing required. Plus, these kits grow with your skills. Start with the basics, then expand your setup with Elinchrom's wide range of light shapers as your photography evolves. Wireless control gives you the freedom to move around during shoots. Whether setting up a home studio or working on location, the D-Light RX kits are a versatile lighting solution. If you want to add some magic to your photo shoots, you won't want to miss out on the Godox Lightstick LC 1000 by LC 1000R. This lighting tool will take your shots to entirely new heights, leaving your subjects looking absolutely stunning. This powerful LED light delivers an impressive 100-watt brightness, providing ample illumination for your video and photo projects. The vibrant RGB mode with 360 selectable colors lets you add creative lighting effects or set the perfect mood during photo shoots. Its advanced diffuser ensures smooth, soft lighting, ideal for portrait and product photography. With long battery life, multiple charging options, and built-in FX effects, this light stick is a versatile tool for any photo shoot. Achieve precise color accuracy with TLCI 96+ and CRI 96+ ratings, and easily control the light via device or app. Whether shooting stills or video, the LC 1000 by/LC 1000R will elevate your photo shoot lighting. For photographers seeking to capture portraits with a soft, flattering glow, the Profoto OCF Beauty Dish White is an essential tool. Designed for off-camera flashes, this portable beauty dish creates a creamy, crisp light that beautifully accentuates your subject's features during photo shoots. Its compact and lightweight design makes it easy to transport and set up on location, saving you valuable time. The patent-pending design allows for a quick, hassle-free setup, so you can focus on capturing those magical moments. With high-quality fabrics and an optional diffuser, you'll achieve a soft, even light that brings out the best in your subjects, whether you're shooting portraits, fashion, or beauty. With the Profoto OCF Beauty Dish White, you can elevate your images to new levels of perfection. Take a look at the Neewer Parabolic Softbox, a game-changer for your photo shoot lighting. This deep, parabolic softbox features a smooth silver interior that evenly diffuses light, creating a soft, flattering illumination for your subjects. With its quick-release design, you can set up this softbox in seconds, allowing you to focus on capturing those perfect shots during your photo shoots. The included honeycomb grid and diffusers give you complete control over your lighting, enabling you to shape and modify the light to suit your desired effect. This amazing softbox could be your new secret tool for capturing stunning portraits, products, fashion, and much more. Compatible with a wide range of studio lights via the Bowens mount, the newer parabolic softbox is a must-have accessory for any photographer seeking superior lighting solutions. Here's a complete studio lighting solution that will transform your portrait and video photo shoots. The eMart Umbrella Photography Lighting Kit. This all-in-one kit provides you with everything needed to create stunning, well-lit images and videos during your photo shoots. The kit includes 3 45-watt 5500K energy-saving lamps that deliver continuous, natural-looking light. The included 33-inch black and silver reflective umbrellas allow you to control and shape the light, while the translucent white umbrella provides a soft, diffused illumination perfect for flattering portraits. With adjustable light stands and a sturdy carrying case, this kit is both versatile and portable, making it ideal for studio or on-location photo shoots. For the beginner or a pro, the eMart Umbrella Photography Lighting Kit will provide the tools needed to take photographic skills and lighting setups to new heights during the shoots. So, that's all about the 7 photography lighting equipment. Do let us know what you think about this, as we'd love to hear from you. And as for everything else, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit the bell icon if you want more content like this on your feed.